Jylla Meghalaya kelap Pynkhreh ban penlong ke National Games hau benai rempang bat liber arhajar arpunyo. Kesor Jylla kelap pentikna babun ki projek te jingte na kebentagi kami lekai on pendap hapo Snem arhajar arpusan arhajar arpunrio. A working president ke Meghalaya State Olympic Association ba John F. Karshiyeng la pentip ba ke Jylla ka don ha ke linti ban pendap ia baro haswa ke por belabu ha ke ba lai punrio teliki jat jingile kai la temu ban yo penlong ha ke ni lempung.
Government has informed. We have together taken a call. The government is the most important part in this. So the government has taken a call to communicate to the Indian Olympic Association that they are ready to host the national games in early, I think, February, March of 2027. And communication to that effect has recently been submitted also to the Honorable Union Sports Minister by our Shakler Wajri, Honorable Minister of Sports.